Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious white rice with carrot. It comes out amazing. I'm sure you guys are going to love it. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. This delicious rice with carrot, these are the ingredients. I have salt, 1 garlic clove, half an onion, butter, 1 carrot, 1 cup of rice, water. This is everything we need to prepare this amazing and delicious rice with carrots. So let's get started. I want to start here first with the half an onion. I'm going to go ahead, slice it, and then cube it, and then dice it very small. The reason that I want to dice it very small is so that it really releases all the amazing flavor, but yet you don't see the onion in the rice, okay? That's why I dice the onion really small so that it just releases all the amazing flavors. The same thing I'm going to do with the garlic clove. The garlic clove, I'm going to slice it and then dice it really good for the same reason. You don't want to be eating your rice and then you see little specks, or you could taste the onion, because when you dice it really small, it really releases and it really just disappears in the rice. But the rice is very penetrated of these amazing onion and garlic. And here I have my carrot, and I'm gonna take the skin off completely, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just run it through, making little specks of the carrot, just like that. Look at this. I'm using 1 whole carrot. This rice really comes out so delicious and amazing that you guys need to make it. When you make this rice, it looks really beautiful. And to tell you the truth, the color of the rice comes out amazing. And here I have all the ingredients ready. I have the garlic diced, the onion diced, salt, unsalted butter, and the carrot. Of course, the rice. On the stove, I have a pan, nice and hot, and I'm adding first 1 tablespoon of the unsalted butter. Remember to always use unsalted butter, so like that you have control of how much sugar your family is intaking. Well, here I'm going to start by adding the onion. You want to add the onion and let it cook for a couple minutes until you see it nice and bubbling, and you could really smell the aroma of the onion. Look at this, it's already bubbling, and now is the time to add the diced garlic. I'm going to add the diced garlic. I'm going to make sure that I incorporate it completely. The garlic really cooks really fast. Once you start smelling the garlic, then it's time to add the carrot. I'm adding all the little specks of the carrot. I'm going to go ahead, move it around, making sure that I really incorporate it into the onion and the garlic for about 2 minutes. Right after 2 minutes, we're going to go ahead and add the rice. When you add your rice, make sure that you really incorporate it. Don't just add the rice and then add the water, because you're going to find that when the rice is completely cooked, there's some places where there's no carrot and others where there's a bunch of carrots on one or another side. So that's why you want to make sure that you really incorporate the rice into the carrot, that there's no little piece unturned. You want to make sure that you really add everything in there. And once this is done, you're going to add 3 cups of hot water. Remember, when you're making rice, always use hot water, because if you use cold water, the temperature of the pan is going to come down. It's gonna cool off and it's gonna take longer time to cook, and then your rice is gonna come out sticky. And that's exactly what you don't want. You don't want a sticky rice. You want a rice that is fully cooked, that is nice and soft, but yet the granules of the rice really pull, really pulls apart. I added my salt here. Remember that the salt is to taste. I usually add just half a tablespoon of the salt to my rice. And now that it's nice and bubbling, lower the heat to medium low and cover it. And then come back and see it in 15 minutes. And it'll be the perfect in 15 minutes. Look at this. Remember to cook it in medium low heat. Here it needs 5 more minutes. And now I took it off of the stove, and look at this. Let me bring you closer so that you could see that the granules of the rice really pull apart. Nothing is sticky. If you could see the rice, the color of the rice and the little specks of the carrots, just amazing. This rice really comes out really delicious. It comes out perfect every time. I am sure you guys are going to love it. And even the color of the rice is a really light orange, but seeing those little specks of the carrot really brings the rice, to another level. It looks beautiful. I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing rice with carrots. You know something, the color came out so beautiful, but yet the flavor, I can't imagine how the flavor is. It's just amazing. Here at home, my family really loves this rice with carrot. Let's see how this came out. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. This rice goes with anything. You could add it to your Thanksgiving dinner. You could add it to your New Year's. You decide, even with just a piece of chicken or salmon, you decide with what you want to enjoy this amazing rice. The little specks of the carrot look amazing in this rice. And of course, remember, the presentations are the key. If your kids don't like carrots, well, this is the best way for them to consume them, because really you can really feel the flavor of the carrot because it's been cooked. This rice is perfection made at home. Like I always say, when you cook with love, everything comes out perfect. I hope, my friends, you give it a try and you enjoy this amazing rice with carrot. If you like and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated, so every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Please take care. I will stay enjoying this amazing rice with carrot. See you on my next amazing recipe. Like, subscribe, and share. Bye-bye.